How to create a digital will properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Creating a digital will might sound straightforward, but most people get this wrong. The surprising truth is that small mistakes in setting up a digital will can lead to legal complications, denied access to assets, or family disputes after you're gone. The first mistake beginners make is thinking a digital will is the same as a traditional will. While both outline your wishes, digital wills often cover online accounts, digital assets, and cryptocurrencies. Failing to include these can leave important accounts inaccessible. Another common error is not designating a reliable executor. The executor must be tech-savvy enough to manage digital assets and understand your instructions. Choosing someone unprepared can create delays or conflicts. Many users overlook secure storage. A digital will stored only on a personal computer or email is vulnerable to hacking or deletion. Use encrypted cloud storage or trusted legal platforms to ensure safety. A surprising mistake is neglecting account credentials. Your digital will should include instructions for accessing email, social media, banking, or cryptocurrency accounts. Without this, your executor may be unable to act on your wishes. Finally, beginners often skip regular updates. Digital assets change frequently. Updating your will ensures new accounts or assets are included and obsolete accounts are removed. To properly create a digital will, include all online assets, designate a competent executor, store securely, provide clear access instructions, and update regularly. Avoiding these mistakes ensures your digital estate is handled smoothly and according to your wishes.